Hello, today we're talking about Google Form notifications. It's really a spreadsheet notification, but we're going to use it for when forms are filled out. So here I have a form that I created as a student check-in. It's actually from way back in week 1. But I found that sometimes students are going back into old forms I have and submitting responses, and I want to make sure I don't miss those. So I'm going to go into the response tab. And then I'm going to click on my spreadsheet button here. If you haven't clicked this before, the first time you click it, it'll say set up a spreadsheet. Just click create and you're off to the races. So I'm going to click on my spreadsheet. And so here's my spreadsheet with all the responses from that form. I've removed the names and the email addresses for privacy reasons. So once I'm done with this form, I don't want to have to come back and check it all the time to make sure that students haven't submitted anything. So in Tools, there is an option called Notification Rules. And in here, I'm just going to set up a simple rule that says, whenever a user submits a form, email me right away. Click Save. And that's it. Now I've got a rule here that will let me know whenever somebody fills out that form. So the minute a student fills out that form, I'm going to get an email in my inbox. This could be useful if you have a variety of forms that are tasks and students have the option of doing it and you don't want to have to come back and keep checking the spreadsheet. This will give me a notification. If you want notifications, but you're just leaving notifications on for all submissions, as in you're not coming to this spreadsheet unless you get an email, I would suggest a daily digest email. Because what that's going to do is it's going to group together all the forms that are submitted in one day instead of giving you individual emails. So that's it. That's how you set up notifications in a form, in a spreadsheet. I hope that's been helpful. I hope you're keeping well. And if there's anything I can do, don't hesitate to reach out.